Hey guys, welcome to Diecast, and in today's video I will be doing my first GT Spirit review and unboxing. So as you can see, there are no signs of saying what the car is except this barcode right here. So it says it's a 993 Carrera RS, which is funny because that is wrong, because this should be a Porsche 964. So let us open it up. It should be like a 3.6 turbo, I believe. So as always, door pick. And it slides off really easy. You don't need to take it off from the other side anymore. It comes with a quality control number, QC12. And let's get on it. So it comes with this, like, I don't know, parchment paper kind of thing up top. And then here is the model. I just want to quickly mention there are no screws for this model. So it's covered in this parchment paper-ish type of stuff in the bottom as well. Alrighty, so we got the model out, and I just want to remind people that these are resin models, so that means they are non-opening models, but to a certain point they have like this special quality to it. Maybe they're more detailed on the inside or on the outside or something like that. So let's see, we got this nice glossy red. Very nice. It's almost like an orangey red, a little bit with the lighting. So it's very unique. It's not like your typical red color. So it's a very nice color. I like it. We also see like a tiny badge here, and along the lines, it's just a beautiful car. It's absolutely beautiful. Going to the door handle here, it looks like a separate piece. Same with the side mirrors. This side fender, what do you call this? Fender, like a light. I don't remember the typical, like that perfect term for this, but yeah, like that fender light there, or side marker. That's what you call it. Yeah, it's a separate piece as well. There looks like some separate piece components right here as well by the headlight. And closer look to the headlight, actually, we can see more detail on the lenses. Very nice. So this is where the craftsmanship and the detail goes. As for the logo, it seems like, I'm just gonna quickly touch it with my hand here. This one is a decal for sure, and it's just a little bit raised up, just to have a little bit of a texture on it. So I'm not sure if I like that. And then we go to the front here. We do see a nice lip underneath. This is a special version. This is the 3.6 RS, I believe. 3.6 RS turbo. Got some nice ducts here as well, and they seem through and through ducts. We also have these lights here, amber lights. I believe they're signal lights. Looks like a separate piece as well. And we also see a little bit of an indentation with the what do you call this, gas cap, and obviously the I am a loss for words today. These are windshield wipers. Oh my goodness. And fairly similar on this side, aside from the indentation on the gas cap. It doesn't look like a separate piece or anything like that, and it doesn't have to be. So Very well understood there. And as you can see, this is a Carrera RS right there, 964, with a nice whale tail wing. I really love this wing, amazing detail. And as we see at the back here, the rear windshield has these nice lines, so if you want to defrost it, or if it's foggy at the rear, there's that option right there. So very nice detail how they did that. And as we can see, there are also some vents right here, and they seem through and through, like the bristles of the brush seem to go in a bit, so that's nice. Looks like a big separate piece right here for the rear lights. And we also have a little bit of detail on the exhaust. Alright, now for the wheel detail, we can see that the wheel is, well, it's supposed to be a two-piece wheel, looks like it. And we see some details on the lug nuts. They are individually painted, and you can see the indentation of the lug nuts as well. We see the Porsche logo on the caliper, and we have some nice drilled rotors at the back there. Unfortunately, when you move the wheel, the rotors don't move, so I don't know how I feel about that. It seems like it's getting stuck on the caliper there. See that? Like, and then it's just like it's stuck on it. So I don't know how I feel about that, but I mean, this model isn't meant to be like moved around or like played with a kid, so. And then as we can see at the rear here, it's definitely like a different offset. There's more of a lip on it compared to the front. Very nice detail. Oh, actually, sorry, I missed this part. There's a valve stem seal right there. I mean, valve stem right there. Very nice. And the tire detail, very nice. You see some nice thick tread. And I just want to mention as well the Porsche crest on the center cap there as well. Now for the underside. So a lot of people would be saying that resin models are overrated and, you know, like cut a lot of corners, and a part of this I do agree. Like, for example, like this is like, I don't know, like it's just one axle that just goes straight in the middle there, and as we go see in the middle here, we see that this is 565 out of 1500, so it's a limited model. Yeah, you can see it's a Carrera RS 3.8. And we see the rear engine is basically just a mold, so you can't really see anything else aside from that. And this quite reminds me of the some of the Spark models as well, which I'll review here in the future. But yeah, like that's what it kind of reminds me of. It's just okay. I mean, you get what you pay for. I don't really buy a lot of GT Spirit models, so yeah, like this is evident on like the cutting corners. But again, it's a resin model, so what's the point of having the wheels turn and whatnot? But in my opinion, obviously I'd choose turning wheels, so you can display it however you want. Like, let's say you have a diorama, you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, I'll try my best to show the interior of this model. It's a bit tough. Let's start with the seat. So at the backing of the seat is a nice red. Looks like the same color as the exterior of the car. Let's see. It's quite hard to see. I'm even having a hard time seeing the inside of it. Yeah, it looks like a nice sports seat. Looks like Recaro pole position. It's like a, what is that? 3-tone gray, light gray and white. very classy actually, very nice. See the dash here, so you see the inside does have a rear mirror. And then on this side, man, it's hard to see in this model. Yeah, we see a Porsche crest, definitely details on the gauge cluster. You can see all the gauges there. Got some detail in the shifter as well. You can see the pattern that the shifter goes. Those seatbelt clips. Actually, as we look closer, by the door card, just underneath the handle, there's another handle. Looks like it where you can grab it. Because I think this version, since it's RS, it's the lightweight version. And obviously the rear seats are basically useless. So it's just for, I don't know, baggage or whatnot. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.